Hey everyone, and welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm Amanda, and I will be your guide in learning more about the Hitway BK6m today. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you are new. Just don't forget to hit the little bell to get all the notifications so you don't miss out on any of the fun adventures. With all that said, let's explore this e-bike. Okay guys, so the Hitway BK6m is a folding e-bike. This bike does come in 4 different colors. The one you see here is the silver. They also have blue, red, and black. So let's go ahead and start here at the beginning. Ooh. What's that guy doing? Okay guys, we're gonna start here at the front. These are 3-inch fat tires with that knobby look, so you can hit just about any terrain. We've got a working headlight up here. These are suspension forks, but they are non-adjustable. This handlebar stem is adjustable for your rider's height. Over here, we have our favorite palm rest handlebar grips. You have a little bell on the left side, and you have your brake. Here you have your display so that you can see how many miles per hour you are going, which pedal assist you are in, and how many miles you have ridden. And you can see how much battery life you have left. Over here on the right side, we have a 7-speed Shimano shifter. We have the palm rest and a twisty throttle. Now this bike is a step through. Here the saddle has a suspension seat post, and then you have the battery that sits directly beneath the saddle. This is a 15 amp hour 48 volt battery, and in order for the bike to run, you actually need to put the key into the battery and make sure that it is in the on position. It's not gonna focus, but it is on. Now back here we do have a foam padded seat for a passenger. It's not the comfiest material, but it's better than nothing. However, unfortunately, there are no foot pegs. So if a passenger was to ride on the back of this bike, they have no support for their feet. This is a dual disc manual braking system, and we have a working tail light in the back. Before doing the riding portion of my video, I needed to adjust my handlebar stem, so I did lift it up and took note that it does have a ruler here on the back to make it easier for you to adjust the handlebar stem. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing the riding portion of the Hitway BK6m. I currently have the bike in pedal assist 1, and this is just pedaling. I am not using my throttle. And it takes a couple rotations of the pedals before the motor kicks in, and it brings me up to a solid 9 miles per hour. Up to pedal assist 2, still pedaling. I am now up to 15.5 miles per hour. And then pedal assist 3. I am up to about 19 miles per hour. And I am now ghost pedaling. I'm going to be testing the brakes real quick right here. Very nice. So now I'm going to be using throttle alone, no pedaling. I'm going back down to pedal assist 1. I'm going to twist the throttle. Here we go. Got me up to 9 miles per hour. So pedal assist 2, throttle only. It's about 15.5 miles per hour, and pedal assist 3. The top speed with throttle or pedaling is 19 miles an hour. So you're going to be going the same speed whether you pedal or you use your throttle. So overall, handling this bike is pretty simple. It's a very lightweight bike. It fits my 5'5" frame decently. I'm feeling pretty comfortable. It might be a little short just because my knees are very bent when I'm rotating the pedals. Otherwise, this bike handles very well. My dad did get on this bike earlier to do a little test run on it, and he's too tall for it. He's about 6'2", so I just wanted to make a quick note of that if you are probably taller than me by a few inches, you're not gonna be very comfortable on this bike. It's actually a very nice morning. It hasn't gotten too hot yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and go grab Dad, and we're gonna go for a short ride and get some B-roll. So I will be right back. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video about the Hitway BK6m Folding e-bike, and I wanted to thank Hitway for sending this to us so we could review their product and offer information about it to our viewers. Right now, this e-bike is going for $649.99 with free shipping and 30-day returns if you are not satisfied. Please click the link below if you'd like to learn more about this e-bike. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We have all kinds of videos for all ages with good information and lots of adventures. Until next time, ride responsibly and ride safe.